Okay, this system right here is going to use FANUC IR pick tool, and what that's going to do is it's going to have 3 robots in line. Robot 1 is going to pick as much product as it can off this conveyor here and pack as many boxes as possible. It'll start to fall behind, and it will pass that information to Robot 2 and basically say, hey, Robot 2, I need you to pick up your work and help me out here. Robot 2 will pack as many as it can, and whatever's left over will get passed to robot number 3. That's all handled by FANUC IR pick tool.